Welcome to Algebra by Hand. If you are an algebra teacher and you need to improve your students' fluency in solving linear equations, you've come to the right place. Algebra by Hand allows you to make your own worksheets using a built-in, easy-to-use equation editor. Once you've created your worksheet with multiple problems, you can set the ideal solution for your students using drag and drop gestures according to the way you think the problem should be solved. And if you don't want to go to the trouble of creating your own worksheets, you can browse our public library of worksheets and adopt a worksheet that is appropriate for your class. In either case, assigning the worksheet to your class is as simple as setting the due date and pushing a button. Your students also use drag and drop to do their assignments. Algebra by Hand can sense when your student is floundering and will provide feedback that gently sets the student back on course. It even offers students written and diagrammed instructions according to the solving path that you set for the worksheet. It lets you be with your student even if you're not actually there. It's kind of like algebra with training wheels. Students can go in the wrong direction, but they can't fall off the bike. And when they feel lost, they can always ask for a little help to get back on track, and Algebra by Hand will give them the same advice you would if you were there. Teachers can view their students' progress in real time to see which students are having difficulties and which types of problems are giving their class the most difficulty. It's easy to drill down in the grade report to see exactly what steps a student used to solve a problem and see which steps required assistance. You can even display a detailed skill inventory for each of your students, showing what algebra skills they have and have not yet demonstrated. Be more efficient at developing procedural fluency in your algebra students with Algebra by Hand.